back to the car wash because my kids love the car wash. Look at the noodles! It's like Adventure Island for cars. It's the biggest car wash we've ever been, like longest car wash ever. Alright, so I was out a lot longer than expected. Already 12, it's noon already. So I really need to eat a snack or something. So I think I'm just gonna make an egg, like a caprese salad with an egg. I don't know. No, let's see. Let me see what I can come up with. So I decided on sauteing some kale, and I have 1 chicken tenderloin. Melt 3 slices of fresh mozzarella. Alright, so we're gonna plate it. We're going to get kale first. This is the kale. And then we're going to get the chicken and mozzarella, which is right here. And it looks like that. And then we're going to get 2 tomato slices. Should I add some avocado? I think I'm gonna add no, we don't need no avocado. I'm going to put some glaze on it now. I found this one at Aldi. Someone asked me last time I used it, where did I find the glaze? And I got mine from Aldi's. I love Aldi. Caprese mini salad. Snack time. We are in famous Carrera line. Brooklyn is up in the front with me while her brother is asleep back there. Don't worry, y'all, she's not up here all the time. When I park, she hops over and hangs out with me. And then when the man comes, when she sees him walking to open the gate, then she jumps back into her seat. Right? High five. She's so cute.
I have a hoop earring.
She's wearing one of my earrings. And the other one is her earring. We're gonna finish when we get home. Long story. Maybe I'll tell you guys later. Anyways. Okay, so Brooklyn is eating cheese balls.
My snack.
For her snack. I am eating. I wanted to start bringing more stuff than just protein bars so you guys can see that like you can eat other stuff while you're either 1 on the go or 2 at work or 3, you know, you got little ones too, so you need to prep for yourself. So this is just a quick little idea. Get one of these little compartment thingies. I mean, you can find these everywhere. So it's celery, roasted red pepper hummus, and some peanut butter. So it's 2 tablespoons of hummus, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, and 3 stalks of celery. So I will log this on my app, and I forgot to take this one yesterday. I have these with me. I threw them in the bag real quick because I'm tired for one. So I'm just gonna take these when I'm done eating my snack because I'm gonna be in the car for a long time. Kumar has cheer practice today, so I'm driving her across town again to her dad's shop. But today is the last day. It's kind of sad. Her last competition for this season is this weekend, so it's her last practice after school day for a couple months until the next season starts. I also brought this with me because I'm going to be in the car, like I said, for a while, and I'm kind of sleepy. Didn't make a tea or anything like that to bring with me. So I have one of these Super Coffee Positive Energy, 0 grams of added sugar, 10 grams of protein, and 200 grams of caffeine, and it's supposed to taste like a caramel latte. So I have this to try. Y'all know I like to try new things, so this is the try of the day. That protein shake yesterday was definitely a win. So I know I'm getting up running out of protein soon, but when I run out of my Herbalife protein and I'm waiting on my order, that is definitely a go-to because that job was good. So I'll probably have this in like an hour once I get to the shop, and then I'll just drink this. Oh, and I also have water because you know you always got some water. I put it in this today instead of my pretty white cup because I had to throw it in my bag because I was carrying too much stuff. So having kids.
I have apple juice.
And she has apple. So me and Mini Me are going to hang out up here. Watch, she has on some crazy thing on the tablet. What is that? Some crazy YouTube thing. So we're gonna watch that together. We're gonna eat our snacks, and then we will see you guys later when it's time to eat again. Bye, y'all. one more thing while it's on my mind. You do not have, if you want to like get results, it does not have to be Herbalife. Like, don't think that you can't do any of this if you don't use Herbalife. You don't use Herbalife for whatever reason. You know, everyone is different. If Herbalife is not for you, you can still do this. Just use a different type of protein. Just whatever protein shakes it is you like, use this plan, and I'm telling you, you're gonna get results. I like Herbalife because, for one, it's the #1 nutrition company in the entire world. You can Google that, and Google will tell you the #1 nutrition company's name in the entire world, not in the US, in the entire world, is Herbalife. So that's the #1 reason. #2 reason, I've been on these products for almost 10 years, and I can't even explain. Okay, so I've been on these products for almost 10 years, and I have had results after results after results. My first results was a massive weight loss. My second result was gaining lean muscle. Then I got pregnant. Then I had to lose weight after that, baby. Then I got pregnant again. Then I had to lose weight after that, baby. Now I'm on my own, another little journey here. Oh, I've done plenty of weight loss challenges with Herbalife. Got crazy results in like 30-day challenges, 20-day challenges. So I know the products work. I know they work. So that's another reason. #3, I use Herbalife because they taste so freaking good. Like I'm gonna use Herbalife for the rest of my life. What was that, #3? I don't know. I don't even know what number I'm on anymore. There's so many reasons why I love these products. So another reason is I am a distributor. So when I get discount on the products, it doesn't love a discount. Two, I get to help other people get on the products. I will always and forever use Herbalife because Herbalife seriously changed my whole entire life. Oh, hello. I'm home with my kids, and I work full-time for myself because of Herbalife. If it wasn't for Herbalife, I would be at a 9 to 5. I wouldn't be sitting in car rider lines or be hanging out with this little girl right here, right now. So I love Herbalife because it changed my life, and I get to be home 24/7 with my babies. So that is like the biggest #1 reason why. So okay, now I ran over. I'm gonna go eat now. Goodbye. I finished, but Brooklyn was helping me, and this was her end result. That's it.
I mean, I do not like it.
She don't like the hummus. She don't like that. All right, you guys. It's a moment of truth. We're about to try this. I always smell my stuff. It smells alright. It's gross. Yuck. I need to go home and make a Herbalife coffee. Blech. 0 out of 10. No go for me. One of these in the air fryer. 8 grams of protein. 140 calories. 2 grams of sugar. Putting one of these in the air fryer with some honey on top before I go to the grocery store because I live at the grocery store. These protein things are really good, but don't put honey on them. Put like, I can't believe it's not butter and cinnamon. Don't put honey. Alright, I'm having my dinner shake now. Dark chocolate coconut, coffee, and coffee creamer. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Just like she was standing and then I saw her feet in the air. The time lapse of making my shake. I'm going to take some paracetamol. Cheers. Also going to take my super greens for the night and take my treatment. Just gonna take these now and then I'll finish my shake while I'm cleaning up. That's it for day 32. Hope I gave y'all some ideas. Someone just bought a Herbalife recipe book. The Amazon stuff. Someone again sent me a message on Instagram asking me about something I was using. in the description to this video, there's my link tree, and it has a link to the Amazon storefront where I put everything that I have. So if you're looking for something that I have, go ahead and look in there. I shall see y'all tomorrow. Hope I gave you some ideas for something. My son is singing in the background. And Brooklyn's dancing to it. What was I gonna say? Alright, well, I'll see y'all on the next video.